exposing the secrets to a luxury kitchen. You won't believe how simple it can be. First up, appliance storage. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops. A designated cupboard or appliance garage hides your gadgets, keeping your kitchen sleek and tidy. Next, integrated features. Imagine a hidden trash pull-out and double dishwashers. Convenience and elegance rolled into one. Third, invest in high-end cookware. Not only do they last longer, but they also make cooking a breeze. Your inner chef will thank you. Fourth, stylish lighting. Think pendant lights or under-cabinet LEDs. They add a touch of sophistication and set the perfect ambiance. Finally, luxury finishes. Marble countertops, anyone? They scream luxury and elevate your kitchen's overall aesthetic. So, ready to give your kitchen a luxurious makeover? Start with these essentials and watch the magic unfold.